Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and navigating to Security or Lock screen. This is where Android stores lock options. Once there, tap Screen Lock and choose Pattern, then enter your current pattern or PIN to authenticate. You do this to prove ownership and unlock the change path. Without that step, the phone blocks pattern edits. Make sure your device is charged and unlocked before continuing, because an interrupted update could force you into account recovery or reset. You now draw your new pattern on the 3x3 grid. Aim for at least 4 dots, but consider 6-9 for better security and avoid obvious shapes like straight lines. Once drawn, you will be asked to confirm it by redrawing. This prevents accidental mistakes. Decide whether to show the pattern traces on screen. Hiding them improves security. Also set or confirm a backup PIN or Google account recovery so you can regain access if you forget the pattern. You finish by confirming and saving the new pattern, then immediately lock and unlock the phone to verify it works. Once done, make sure to enable a secondary method like fingerprint or PIN so you have a fallback. If the phone rejects the new pattern, reboot and try again. If you become locked out later, use Google Find My Device or the manufacturer recovery options to reset remotely, because a factory reset is the last resort and will erase data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.